Imagine your favorite lunch place doubles its prices tomorrow. You go next door. Now imagine your hometown airport doubles its charges to airlines. The airlines complain loudly, of course, and then keep flying because there is no airport next door. That difference is what this video is about. Here's the key concept. Market power! Market power means that the market price, the price customers actually pay, is something the company can control. A restaurant on a busy street has almost no market power. If it charges more than the place next door, customers walk away. An airport has a great deal of it. Airlines and passengers cannot simply walk away. A word of caution here, because commentators mix these up constantly. Listen carefully. Market power and monopoly power are related, but they are not the same thing. A monopolist has no rivals at all. Its market result depends only on its own price choices. No other company's prices matter. A company can have market power without being a monopolist. It can still steer its price, but the prices of rivals constrain how far it can go. Every monopolist has market power. Not every company with market power is a monopoly. In this series, we will think of airports as companies with market power, which may or may not be monopolists. Keep the framework simple, we will abstract away from rivalry between airports. For now. That is not because I believe airport competition is absent. No. It is very real and we will devote a full video to it later. It is because most of the insights we derive without rivalry carry over to a world where airports do compete. So the starting point is airports have market power because their users have few alternatives. But why are there so few airports to choose from? The answer lies in the cost side of the airport business, and that is the next video.
See you.